Hello friends, I want to show you how to write a sales email for your ebook in just 2 minutes without cracking brains. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the simplest way to use ChatGPT to write a top-notch sales email for your ebook, and that will be done in less than 2 minutes. Now let's go. I'm going to click on ChatGPT. Now let me start here. So I have an ebook. I want to create a sales email. So let me test ChatGPT. So what am I going to do? I say, help me. Very simple. Putting the right prompt matters. Help me write a sales email for my ebook titled. Now you go to put the title of that ebook. Okay, this is what I want to talk about. 50 ChatGPT prompts to make money online. This is what I want it to do for me. So let's see what it's going to produce. We're writing sales email. You know how important sales email is. It's okay, a very compelling one. Okay, look at it. It says choose one or rotate for A/B testing. Unlock 50 ChatGPT prompts that can make you real money. Turn ChatGPT into a cash machine. Here's how. You are 50 prompts away from your first online income. Ebook, make money online with ChatGPT. Get the prompts now. So this is a kind of heading. Now look at the email body. What if I told you that ChatGPT could be more than just a chatbot? What if you have 50 powerful prompts that could help you and all that? You can see all of this without you wasting your time, without you killing yourself. You have been able to do this. Turn your online success, you put your name, just go through this and you have got this. I have an ebook I've just written. All I need to do, just do this, copy this, touch some things, do some few editings, and it's good to go. I can use it as not only as a sales email, I can also use it directly while selling this book anywhere. I can even in my social media marketing, I can use this. It's very, very important. So this is a very simple way on how to do the stuff like this. If you are writing an ebook and want the simplest way to make your ebook to have, to attract buyers, sales email is very important. And something like this can easily happen within 2 minutes using ChatGPT. So if you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe and don't forget to share this video. It's very important. I want to stop here. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.